This is a high protein paneer pizza made in an air fryer, simple and perfect for fitness meals. For this recipe, I am using paneer, chopped vegetables like onion, tomato, capsicum and spinach. For the base, I am using a high protein paneer wraps along with some yogurt, besan and some basic spices. In a bowl, I added paneer, chopped vegetables, besan and yogurt. Then I added some spices, a little oregano and black pepper and mixed everything well to form a thick mixture. I placed a protein wrap on a baking paper and spread the paneer mixture evenly to form the pizza base. I placed it in the air fryer basket and cooked it for 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes in the Philips air fryer. After that, I added cheese on top and air fried it again for 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes just to melt the cheese. Once done, I removed the pizza, added oregano and a little sauce, and the high protein paneer pizza is ready. If you like simple, healthy, fitness friendly recipes, subscribe to Simple Health Kitchen.